Alright, hey guys, it's me, Sunday FUNDAY AM 1010. I'm making a bike check. So I start off in the front, like everybody else. I got ODYSSEY tires front and back. My rim's fucked there because I had a KHE tire, like an old one, and it blew up and it fucked my rim. Whatever, I don't give a shit. Female axles, in the female axle in the front. ODYSSEY VANDERO 2 hub in the front. I got fucking nice forks. They're the ODYSSEY directors. I fucking love them. Paid $150 and they only had like that small scratch. They were used, but I could still get a lifetime warranty because the guy works at a bike shop. And you could even see the sticker in there, which I didn't even know. I just saw that right now. ODYSSEY headset. I bought this headset yesterday. I'm probably gonna go ride today and get clips and, you know, make an edit or something. Now there's snow and there's what do you call it? A parking lot which is heated, so there's no snow there, so I could ride, I guess. And I know at what time the security guard leaves, so I know at what time to go. ODYSSEY BMX top cap fork bolt, and it's a bit worn down, but I don't care. Yeah, I cut it. I cut the fork, and I cut this, and I didn't put my spacer, you know, to save a bit of weight. I didn't do it. The person who had the fork before did it, but he had like he had the Sunday FUNDAY, so like the geometry is the same. So whatever, I don't care. Premium sub 10 stem, good stem. Probably getting a Primo Annihilator. Stock Sunday bars, 8-inch rise or 8.5, and like, I don't remember the dimensions, I don't care. ODI long neck grips, good grips. Shadow bar ends, stock Sunday FUNDAY AM 1010 frame. Sunday seat clamp, stock NORCO pivotal seat post, and shadow conspiracy seat. I'm probably gonna put take the cover off of this and put like black or white, I don't know. ODYSSEY twisted PC pedals. Probably buying the Shadow Ravengers, like the plastic ones. Thanks to Brad Mansell that I want to buy them, but yeah. I'll put his channel in the description. Go subscribe to him. Stock cranks, stock sprocket, and YBN half-link chain. Stock bottom bracket, I don't care. ODYSSEY tires, if I didn't say. And I got an ODYSSEY V3 cassette hub. ODYSSEY has light rim in the back, as you can see. ODYSSEY spokes. And I made this, like, you see the silver there? I put like a spacer, then I put a nut, so it would act like this thing, which I snapped in like 3 pieces. And the way that this snapped, I was tightening my wheel and it just snapped. So I'll put Brad Mansell's channel in the description. Go subscribe to him. And I put tape, and like that was just got raped by what do you call it, a rail or something. Probably I'm getting a hub guard because I grind on the right and my sprocket's on the right, and my hub, which isn't good for your hub, but I'll go buy the Primo drive side hub, Primo drive side hub guard, probably in black. Yeah, Probably buying a new frame. I have no idea what kind, but whatever is good. I don't care. That's about it. Hollow axles in the back and female in the front. ODYSSEY VANDERO 2 hub if I didn't say. And comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.